Hello, my name is Muhammad Jarad. In this video, I will be showcasing my final project for the Biometric System course. This project, a biometric anti-spoofing face recognition system, includes advanced anti-spoofing features. I will be providing a detailed explanation of the system architecture, illustrating the various components and their interactions within the system. The project is named the Biometric Anti-Spoofing Face Recognition System. Its purpose is to develop a secure and reliable face recognition system with advanced anti-spoofing measures using a regular laptop camera. So let's take a high-level overview. Our system is composed of three main components. Front-end, built with React, it handles the user interface and interactions. Backend, implemented using Flask, it processes requests and responses. And finally, data storage. User data is stored in a JSON file for simplicity. Let's delve deeper into each component and its role within the system. React. This component forms the user interface, allowing users to interact with the system. It communicates with the backend through HTTP requests for tasks like registration, login, and profile management. The backend. The core of the system is built using Flask and includes several keys, libraries, and modules. Flask manages HTTP requests from the front end, routing them to the appropriate functions. Flask cores handles cross-origin resources sharing, ensuring secure interaction between the front end and the back end. CV2, NumPy, face recognition, base64, Perl, Dlib, Amutulis, Spicy. These libraries facilitate image processing and face recognition, ensuring the system can accurately detect and analyze faces. Data storage. JSON file. User data such as username and face encodings is stored in a JSON file within the user data directory. This approach simplifies data management for the project. Anti-spoofing is crucial to our system's securities, preventing unauthorized access through static image. Dlib. This library is used for blink detection and head movement detection, key aspect of our anti-spoofing measures. Blink detection ensures the person in the image is blinking, thwarting attempts to use static image or for spoofing. Head movement detection ensures slight head movement, further enhancing the system's resistance to spoofing attempts. Shape predictor. A pre-trained shape predictor is used for facial landmark detection, which is essential for accurate face analysis. The Flask application has several roles to manage different functionalities within the system. So we have a profile, get and put. It retrieves and updates user profiles. Also, we have register, post. Register a new user by capturing their face via webcam and storing the face encoding. Also, there's login, post. Logs in the user after performing anti-spoofing checks like blink detection and head movement. Also, there's a delete user. It deletes a user by username. Also, we have user, it's get, so it's for retrieves or registered users. So as for now, let's see how our system operates in practice. First of all, we will open a new terminal, and then we have to activate the virtual environment and run the Python code. So this terminal for the backend. Also, we have to open a new terminal for Frontend. So I will change the directory to Anti-Spoofing Face Recognition, which is this one, and npm start. So now it will deliver us to the welcome page as a guest. It say welcome, hey guest. So I will log out and go to registration. First, I will check if there's any user. There's no user, so I will Muhammad. Okay, and user register. And now I will attempt to log in within my face. So it's a welcome, hey Muhammad. Anyway, so now I will attempt to log in with this image. So say error again. Error. The biometric anti-spoofing face recognition system is a robust and secure solution for face recognition. Its advanced anti-spoofing measures ensure reliability and security. Future improvements may include more advanced anti-spoofing techniques and integration with a more advanced database. Thank you for exploring this system architecture, and see you in other projects.